students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, today I give you the essay on Teachers Day. आज मैं आपको टीचर्स डे के ऊपर ऐसे दूंगी. जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है कि ऐसे लिखते समय हमें किन किन पॉइंट्स का ध्यान रखना चाहिए, कौन कौन से मेन पॉइंट्स होते हैं जो हम ऐसे लिखने में यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ लेट वी स्टार्ट अवर ऐसे ऑफ टीचर्स डे. Now first we give the introduction of our essay topic. जो टॉपिक होता है ऐसे का, सबसे पहले हमें उसका इंट्रोडक्शन देना है. Now the Teachers Day introduction is, in India, Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September as a mark of tribute to the contribution made by teachers to the society. The great teacher Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born in this day. He was a staunch supporter of education, a well-known diplomat and the President of India. When Dr. Radhakrishnan became the President of India in 1962, some of his students approached him and requested him to allow them to celebrate 5th September as his birthday. In reply, Dr. Radhakrishnan said, "Instead of celebrating my birthday separately, it would be my proud privilege if September 5 is observed as Teachers' Day." This statement showed Dr. Radhakrishnan's deep love for the teaching profession. From then onwards, this day has been observed as Teachers' Day in India. So here students, this is the introduction of Teachers Day कि कब और कैसे Teachers Day मनाना शुरू हुआ. Now the second important point is importance of teachers. Now teachers mold the lives of the students whom they influence because the lessons learned from teachers remain with their students throughout their lives. We should always respect our teachers. Teachers need support from the society along with encouragement so that they feel that their devotion and dedication to the students is valued and appreciated. So in the second point, students, you mention why the teacher is important in our life. The third point is Teachers Day celebration. Teachers Day has today become such an occasion that is looked forward by the teachers and the students alike. On one hand, teachers get praise and appreciation, and on the other hand, students also realize what it means to be a teacher and how much devotion is contained behind being a teacher. Now in next point you describe about the celebration कि आप किस तरह से जो डे है उस डे को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. The celebration on Teachers Day. The next point is remembering Dr. Radhakrishnan. Now apart from the celebrations, Teachers Day is also such an occasion on which we look back, admire and get inspired by Dr. Radhakrishnan, a small town boy who grew up to become one of the most respected person in the history of Indian democracy. Here a line for good teacher is, a good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. In last point students, it describes that why we remember Radhakrishnan कि एक हमें राधाकृष्णन को किस तरह से याद करना चाहिए. In this essay you add more points like how you celebrate Teachers Day, आप किस तरह से Teachers Day celebrate करते हैं, या जो जो functions आपके यहाँ करवाए जाते हैं, you also mention these points in your essay. Now these line indicates that कि जो एक अच्छा टीचर होता है वो एक कैंडल के जैसे होता है जो खुद जलकर दूसरों को रोशनी देता है, रास्ता दिखाता है. So students, here we complete our essay. So you have to write it in your notebook and learn it.